We'll guide you through how to use Printify with Etsy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Printify website. You need to log into your account or create one if it's your first time. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and look for the Manage My Stores section. Here, you'll see an option to connect a new store. Click on Add a New Store, and from the list of platforms, select Etsy. This action will prompt you to log into your Etsy account. So go ahead and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Printify and Etsy. Make sure you read the permissions and click Allow Access to proceed. Now that your Printify account is linked with Etsy, go back to the Printify dashboard and click on Create New Product. Browse through their catalog and pick a product you want to sell. Customize it with your designs using the Printify design tool. Once satisfied, click Save Product and then Add to Store. Printify will sync this product with your Etsy store. Head over to your Etsy dashboard where you'll find your new product listed under Drafts. Click on it to edit the listing details like the title, description, pricing, and tags to optimize it for search. Finally, once you're happy with everything, hit Publish to make it live. Now your Printify product is available on Etsy for purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.